Have you ever stepped into a dorm and thought it felt bland, uninspired, or just like a box? Have you imagined transforming that tiny space into a cozy sanctuary that's both stylish and functional? Whether you're heading to your first semester or aiming to refresh your college nest, this video is your ultimate guide to dorm room ideas that are creative, practical, and budget-friendly. We're unpacking tips on color schemes, storage hacks, lighting transformations, personalization, small space furniture, tech integration, and more. Everything to help you craft a dorm that feels like home, not just a room.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can you choose the perfect color scheme to make your dorm feel bigger and cozier? Selecting the right colors can completely transform your dorm atmosphere. Start with a light base. Think soft whites, pale grays, or gentle beige tones on walls and bedding to visually expand the space. To add personality, introduce pops of color that reflect your taste. Dusty rose, sage green, burnt orange, or navy work as accents. You can do this through cushions, rugs, wall art, or even curtains. If you're feeling bold, paint one wall in a muted accent color to create depth without overwhelming the room. Texture also plays a key role. Incorporate cozy blankets and bumpier fabrics to warm up the space. This combination of light and accent tones gives your dorm visual breathing room while keeping it cozy and reflective of your style. Like if you believe color can make a tiny space feel like an inviting home. What storage solutions help you maximize every inch without sacrificing style? Storage is essential in dorm life. You need space, but reality checks in fast. Raise your bed with risers to create under-bed storage for bins that hold clothes, books, or gear. Stackable drawers are lifesavers for organizing desk clutter or closet overflow. Over-the-door organizers handle everything from toiletries to scarves, and tension rods make great dividers for scarves or jewelry. Display baskets can hold laundry or towels, while decorative boxes on shelves keep small treasures neat. Look for foldable storage carts you can wheel away when not in use, and invest in a few brick hooks for hanging headphones, bags, or lightweight seasonal clothing. These solutions keep you organized while adding texture and visual interest, helping your dorm feel thoughtful and spacious, not chaotic. Which lighting setups can elevate your dorm from drab to Instagrammable? Dorm lighting needs to be versatile and stylish. A desk lamp with adjustable brightness and color temperature is great for studying and mood setting. Add a string of fairy lights across the room, around mirrors, or over headboards to soften harsh fluorescence. LED strip lights behind your desk or monitor can create ambient backlighting and reduce screen glare. Touch-activated lamps on side tables add easy, cozy lighting for nighttime reading. Consider battery-operated paper lanterns hung from the ceiling. They add softness without tripping breakers. Balanced lighting zones make your dorm sanctuary feel layered and comfortable while giving you options for mood and functionality. Let me know if you love glow-up lighting tricks. How can you personalize your dorm space to reflect your identity and passions? Your dorm should feel like you. Start by curating a gallery wall with photos, artwork, coaching posters, or motivational quotes, all in matching frames for cohesion. Add a corkboard or string photo display to swap out memories over time. Choose accent pillows and throws based on things you love, floral prints, bold stripes or quirky graphics, and mixed textures. Bring in plants, live or faux, to add life and color on desks or shelves. Personalize everyday items too. Monogrammed door hangers, a unique alarm clock, or your favorite scented candle if allowed. Even a tabletop zodiac sign light or unique rug can reflect your personality. Each layer makes your dorm feel distinctively yours and far more inviting. What furniture essentials should you prioritize for comfort and function? In a dorm, every piece counts. Your bed is often the centerpiece. Opt for a mattress topper for added comfort, and use a sturdy headboard or pillows for back support. Invest in a multifunctional desk with charging stations and shallow drawers to stay organized. A compact rolling cart adds flexible storage and can double as a bedside table. If space allows, include a cozy floor poof or beanbag for lounge seating. Floating shelves help you display your stuff without using floor space. Upgrade your chair. Cushioned, adjustable seating makes long study sessions bearable. Also, a small area rug grounds the room and separates zones. These essentials keep the room functional and comfortable while avoiding clutter. How can you integrate technology and organization for a smarter dorm? Dorm rooms need to be both wired and relaxed. Start with a sleek charging station, a power cube that supports phone, tablet, and headphones all in one spot. Use a cable sleeve or clips to prevent desk tangles. For better sleep and study sessions, choose a small white noise machine or smart speaker that doubles as a lamp. Bring a compact printer under the desk to stay prepared. Go wireless where possible. Bluetooth headphones, smart bulbs you control via app. Consider an LED clock with USB ports. These small smart upgrades keep clutter down, efficiency up, and your dorm running like a mini smart home that's both modern and functional. How do you create distinct zones in a small dorm room? Your dorm may be small, but you can still make it feel zoned. Use rugs to distinguish. For example, place a plush rug under your bed to define a sleeping area. Use a second mat by your desk for a study zone. Hang sheer curtains or folding screens between your bed and work area to give separation without blocking light. Place different lighting for each zone. Desk lamp for study, fairy lights for relaxation. Use furniture, desk art, or poof as a physical divider. Hanging plants can also define space boundaries. These design hacks create zones that feel intentional, helping your small dorm function well across multiple needs without feeling crowded. What kitchen and snack station ideas are dorm-friendly and fun? Even with limited space, you can have clever snack zones. Use a small shelf or side cart as a mini kitchen by storing snacks, bowls, cutlery, and a mini fridge on it. Use mason jars for bulk snacks like nuts or granola. Add reusable water bottles and travel mugs to stay hydrated. Include a compact air fryer, electric kettle, or single-serve coffee maker if allowed. Load storage containers with cereal, trail mix, or jerky. Use hooks or baskets for utensils and napkins. Consider sustainable storage, Ziploc bag alternatives, and beeswax wraps. With this setup, your dorm becomes your culinary corner, cozy, convenient, and personal without breaking the rules. A dorm really can become your personal sanctuary, a place that feels comfortable, functional, and uniquely yours. By thoughtfully layering color, storage, lighting, personalization, multi-use furniture, smart tech zones, snack stations, seasonal touches, and a cleaning habit, you're not just decorating, you're building a home away from home. Take these ideas one step at a time, mix in your own style, and get ready to enjoy that blissful "I love this space" moment every time you walk through the door.